Deserts often evoke images of endless empty sands, harsh, lifeless, and unforgiving. For generations, the Dalat Banner Desert in Inner Mongolia was just that, a symbol of nature's power and a daily struggle for those living on its edge. The desert's advance threatened homes and livelihoods, a slow catastrophe that seemed impossible to stop. Yet, even in the harshest places, life waits for a chance. The story of Dalat Banner is not one of defeat, but of an astonishing transformation. Against all odds, this wasteland was revived, not by machines but by an unexpected ally: over 1 million rabbits. This is the journey of how China's toughest desert turned green, as human ingenuity partnered with nature's quiet resilience. The desert's silent plea was finally answered, with life, growth, and hope. Dalat Banner's struggle mirrored a national crisis: desertification sweeping across China. Decades of overgrazing, deforestation, and poor farming turned fertile land into expanding deserts. By the 1990s, desertified land covered nearly a fifth of China. By 2015 it was almost a third. Sandstorms choked cities, farmland vanished, and millions faced poverty. Traditional tree planting failed. Saplings died, soil was poor, water scarce. It became clear, fighting the desert required more than just planting trees. A new, integrated approach was needed, one that worked with nature, not against it. The fate of entire regions depended on finding a better way. The challenge was urgent, the solution elusive, but a visionary idea was about to change everything. The breakthrough came from Qian Shueisen, a legendary scientist who turned his attention from rockets to deserts. In 1988 he proposed sand industry, a radical idea to create a self-sustaining desert economy. Instead of just planting trees, Qian envisioned a living system: trees, grasses, and animals working together. Trees would anchor the sand, grasses would hold moisture, and animals would fertilize the land. It was a blueprint for a productive, resilient ecosystem. Turning theory into reality took bold investment: 750 million yuan to plant vast fields of hardy salix willows. These deep-rooted shrubs would stabilize the sand and lay the groundwork for something bigger. The goal: a 300,000-acre green base, the first step in Qian's vision. This was more than afforestation. It was the start of a new way to heal the land. The stage was set for the next, most surprising chapter. With willows taking root, the project's most unconventional move began, introducing the French Rex Hare. This robust rabbit, imported from France, thrives in dry, clean environments, perfect for the desert. As they dug and foraged, the rabbits naturally tilled and aerated the soil, making it more fertile. Their droppings enriched the sand with nutrients, and seeds passed through their digestive systems, boosting plant growth. The result? Vegetation survival rates soared to over 96%. Even more remarkable, the rabbits reproduced rapidly, multiplying the project's impact. Soon, a million-strong army of rabbits was transforming the desert from the ground up. These unlikely eco-engineers became the heart of Dalat Banner's Green Revolution. The genius of Dalat Banner was the partnership between willows and rabbits. Willows stabilized the sand and sheltered the rabbits. Rabbits fertilized the soil and spread seeds. This closed-loop system mimicked nature's own designs, creating a self-sustaining cycle. As rabbits enriched the soil, more plants grew, which in turn supported more rabbits. The landscape transformed rapidly, with green spreading where only sand once lay. The project became a model of sustainable restoration: forestry, grassland, and animal husbandry working as one. The desert was no longer an enemy, but a resource to be revived and valued. Nature and human ingenuity, in harmony, reclaimed the land. The transformation was stunning. In just a few years, green patches spread across the Dalat Banner Desert. Vegetation coverage soared from under 3% to nearly 85% by 2021. The air cleared, the ground stabilized, and the change was visible from space. Wildlife returned. Birds, insects, and mammals found a new home in the oasis. The silence of the desert gave way to the sounds of life. Over 1.2 million Rex hares now help maintain this thriving ecosystem. The project didn't just plant shrubs, it resurrected an entire community. Dalat Banner became a living symbol of what's possible when vision meets action. A barren wasteland was reborn as a lush green miracle. The greening of Dalat Banner sparked an economic revival. Rabbit breeding became a profitable industry, lifting families out of poverty. Locals learned new skills, found stable jobs, and saw incomes rise dramatically. Every part of the Rex Hare, meat, fur, and more, created value and jobs. Ecological tourism flourished as visitors came to witness the green miracle. The desert, once a burden, became a source of prosperity and pride. Dalat Banner proved that restoring nature can also build a thriving economy. Dalat Banner's success drew global attention. The UN named it a Global Desert Ecological Economic Demonstration Zone. Experts from around the world came to learn from its integrated approach. China now uses high-tech tools, drones, big data to expand these methods. The Belt and Road Desert Green Economic Innovation Center leads research and knowledge sharing. Dalat Banner's model is inspiring similar projects worldwide, turning deserts into opportunities. The future of ecological restoration is here, and it's spreading. Dalat Banner's journey is a testament to renewal and hope. From barren sand to vibrant oasis, it shows what's possible with vision and collaboration. The project continues to grow, promising even more green miracles ahead. Its lessons, combining ecology and economy, offer a blueprint for the world. Restoring land can create jobs, fight poverty, and heal the planet. The once silent desert now sings with life, a legacy of innovation and resilience. Dalat Banner stands as a beacon, proving that even the harshest places can bloom again.